How to share collage to Instagram from Yoshion app. Let's get your amazing Yoshion collages out in the world. Setting them to the Instagram is super straightforward. First things first, once you have finished creating your masterpiece in the Yoshion, look for the save button which is in the top right corner right over here. Give it a tap. This step automatically saves your photo to the files or to your gallery section. Now, in order to share it to the Instagram, what you have to do is simply tap on this circle and share button right over here. Give it a tap and that will open up several options for you. And here you can see an option to share the image to Instagram. And on the Instagram, there you can see 4 options too. Either you want to share it to the Insta feed, messages, reels or the stories. You have to choose the exact way that you want to share it to the Instagram from the Yoshion app. Let's share it to the feed. Tap on it and it will be directed to the Instagram like this. Now you can adjust it, add the music, add the text, overlay and do whatever you wish to edit in this photo and share it to the Instagram very easily. So that's the process of sharing your collage to Instagram from Yoshion app. And that's it. Your Yoshion collage will be now live on the Instagram feed for everyone to see. Pretty easy, right? Now go share your fantastic creations from the Yoshion to the Instagram. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.